Meaning of EMU.
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 EMU. EMU stands for Economic and Monetary Union. It is a system in which European Union member states coordinate their economic policies, adopt a common currency, the euro, and operate under a single monetary policy. The goal of the EMU is to create a more stable and prosperous economic environment for the participating countries by reducing transaction costs, eliminating exchange rate risk, and promoting trade and investment. However, the EMU has also faced some challenges, particularly in terms of fiscal discipline and managing divergent economic conditions among member states.